Hi, a follow-up on my bird bath. There's a couple of stones that fell out randomly. I was just sitting here and they just seemed to fall off. So I don't know what caused that, unless the surface was maybe oily or something when I did those two. But I think it's about the 5th time one has fallen off, because a few fell off while I was doing it too. So follow up for that. And also, this little decoration that I bought, all of these little shiny things, they were all straight. So I curled a couple. It looks better, I think. I went around and did a couple random ones. And all you have to do is take your fingernail and do that. See how it curled? Yeah, I think it looks much better. I'm going to leave a couple straight. But, maybe... See that one? All I did was, the trick you learn in kindergarten with your scissors on paper to make it curl. Same idea. So it looks more festive. Alrighty. Happy Friday.